Hi, so today I want to give you a nice example of how you can give more support to your lower back and your kidneys. When we do in Chinese medicine, the center of your body where the kidneys are located in the back, but this whole area around the waist is called the Qi belt. And the Qi belt is one of the most important places to keep charged up with energy because it's the only part of the body where the energy flows horizontally. Every other place it flows vertically. So we want to give it a nice strong support so that it helps all the energy going up and down throughout your body. So to do that, we're going to do a little support for the kidneys. So I'm going to invite you, I'm going to turn around here, and we're going to take a stance a little bit wider than your shoulders. And then I'm going to invite you to take your left hand and bring your right hand right up here to your lower back. Right there by the kidneys, and then let your left hand be like you're holding a tray of teacups. And we're going to slowly twist to the right, and as you do, you're going to come off your left foot, come up on the left toes, and twist and look back behind yourself. And that's going to twist the lower back and activate the kidneys. And then we'll slowly come back, bring the feet back down so they're firmly on the ground. And now use your right arm to grab your left arm, place it right there in position. Bring your right arm like you're holding a tray of teacups on this side, and then slowly twist to the left, coming up on the toes on the right, and you look behind yourself. And breathe. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Come back. Bring the hand in position. Once again, right arm going into behind the kidneys, left hand here. Slowly twisting to the right, looking over the left shoulder or the right shoulder. And then come back. Switching arms. Turning to the left, looking over the left shoulder. And come back. Let's try that one more time to each side. Left arm in position, slowly twist, coming up. And of course, modify this as you need to. If this is too much for yourself, you don't have to make it as big a twist. Maybe the legs could be a little closer together. And we'll do one more here with the right arm, looking over. And then coming back. And then give your kidneys a little rub. You can even rub the sacrum, stimulating the lower spine. Do that a couple of times. And that's a great way to give yourself more support into the kidneys. Feel free to do that one much longer than that. That's a great way to kind of a nice morning wake up for the kidneys. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.